Alright, today I'm going to try to attempt to pick this deadbolt with the 3 simple tools. You got your rake, your tension wrench, and your short hook. I can get them there in the shot. There they are. I bought them on southord.com. As you can see, it's locked, so I'll try to do this. It might take a while, but let's see here. So again, you put the tension wrench opposite side of the pins, and most locks turn towards the hinges, so this is going clockwise, you can see, so it's going to go that way. I'm going to first rake it with my rake. Try to do this. Push up and just all the way back, push up and give it a nice little rake. A slight tension being applied. Alright, just put that over there. Alright. Now I'm just going to work with the short hook. I'm just going to basically just applying slight tension, just pushing all these pins up, trying to push everyone up to its shear line. Now I've only picked this deadbolt once before, so it might take me a while. But I'm only applying slight tension. The tension, basically all it does is when the pin does reach its shear line, when you push it up to its shear line, it just locks that pin in place. So you don't need a whole lot of pressure. It's not like more pressure is going to make it easier. Just you want to hold that pin in place. Now the first time I did this, it took me about, I don't know, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. On. There it goes. As you can see, you can feel it when you get all the pins right. You can feel it just go. And there you go. That's how you pick a lock with those 3 tools. And then if you want to lock it back up again, you have to pick it again. But that's how I did that. I hope this video was helpful. I was basically just showing you, because there's not very many videos on YouTube on how to pick a deadbolt, because deadbolts are a little bit trickier. But this is a quick set deadbolt, which I think this is a common exterior door deadbolt for a house. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all my other vids. Subscribe. Comment if you have any questions, if I did anything wrong, if you're like an expert. Good to get comments. Thanks.